Alright guys, back with another video. I'm going to show you today, if you guys really want to make a good, delicious pizza, you need this one step to actually make it the starter for the pizza dough, which we're going to let ferment over 24 hours to 48 hours. It's going to make it nice and fragrant and delicious. Alright guys, I got all the ingredients for the pre-fermentation, which we're going to need 400 grams of flour. We're going to need 400 grams of water, room temperature, and then we're going to need half a teaspoon of dry yeast. So we're going to take the dry yeast, a half a teaspoon, and we're going to put it into our water. And we're just going to stir it up. So get in there, stir up the water and the yeast, and then go ahead and break up some of that yeast that's in there, and then we're going to let it sit for a minute. We're not doing anything too crazy in this video. We got the yeast in the water and the flour, and then we're just gonna go ahead and mix it up. And just mix it up. Doesn't need to be well mixed up, but just enough to get all the flour clumps out. Just incorporate it really well. And it's supposed to be loose like this. It's not the dough yet. So, and boom, just like that, we have our pre-fermented dough, which we're going to let sit for 24 hours. We're going to go ahead and cover it. Alright, so here we go. We have the starter here. We're going to let it sit for 24 hours overnight at room temperature. Okay guys, look at this. Look at this. It's still growing. It's still growing. Look at that. This is going to be great pizza. You can see the bubbles in it. That's what we want. Alright guys, it's been a full 24 hours, and here it is. There it is. There's the starter. It's been a full 24 hours, as you can see. It's nice and bubbly. And you can smell it. So now that we got the starter ready, we're going to go ahead and make the dough. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the dough. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button, and leave comments below and let me know what you think.